Welcome to ClickMyProject.com. The title of our project is Digitalization of Healthcare. Let's move to the abstract of our project. Modern digital health solution improves the relationship between patients and their doctors, expand preventive diseases strategies, and shift healthcare toward a value-based treatment, increasing access to health information for patients and providers. Digitalization of healthcare has introduced several tools and methods for improving health services, such as keeping the information about the patient details at safely in one location and introducing software that makes the health related data more accessible to patients. And also it helps to save time, boost accuracy and efficiency, and combine technology in ways that are new to healthcare. It also has the potential to prevent the diseases and lower cost healthcare while helping patients monitor and manage the severe conditions. It can also tailor a medicine for individual patients. This is the flow of our project. We have the three main modules like admin, patient and doctor. Admin will add the list of doctors and also assign the doctor for the patient. And admin can view the list of patients that under the doctors. Then in doctor modules, have the process of login. The username and the password will be get by the admin. And after that, doctor will see the patients who are assigned to them and will generate the prescription for the patients. Then in patient module, they have the registration and login process. After that, they have to fill a form like what problem and how long it has. Then after that, they can see the list of problem that they have given. After the generate prescription of doctor, the patient can view the prescription that generated by their doctors. Let's run our project. These are the three main modules we have in our project. First we can go to the admin module. Admin have the default username as admin and password also as admin. Here the admin will view the list of doctors they have and add a doctor. Just go to here. Just give a random name and username Ram Mishra, password Ram123, and designation is like in which they are specialist. And just give a random phone number. Then email ID. After adding a doctor, the admin can view the list of doctors they have added here. If you want to add a patient list, we have to go to our patient. Patient have a registration process. Let's take as patient 1. And username as patient. Patient user. Password as patient. Just give a random email ID. And phone number. After registration, we move on to the login process. Just give the name patient user, patient, and reply. Now we have the patient ID and patient name, and we have to write the problems like and how long it has. Then it will move to the admin part. And we can see the patient that we have entered, patient 1, the problem and the duration. The admin will assign the doctor for this problem. If you can assign the doctor, we have registered ROM. You can see here the ROM is updated here. Then we move to the doctor's part. Here you can choose the list of doctor names, and the username and password will be get from the admin. Here we can see the patients at patient 1, which is assigned by the admin. The doctor will generate a prescription here, the patient ID and the problem will be here, and the medicine and how long they have to take, and what timings, it's morning, afternoon and night, like that, what timing they have to take a medicine. Here the list will be shown to the doctor, but what are all the medicine they have provided to the patient. After the prescription generated, the doctor can log it. Now we can see the prescription in the patient module. We have the patient name, patient user, and patient 1, 2, 3 as password. Here we can see the prescription that given by the doctor. Then we can log it. In admin also we can see the list of patients assigned to the doctor. Here we can see the details of the patients assigned to the doctor. There we can see the patient 1 assigned to the ROM.